Boom shakalaka, Bitcoin and altcoins on the verge of a breakout. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including how Bitcoin and alts right now both are on the verge of massive breakouts and what this could mean in the upcoming months. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Come join us on Twitter at @TheCryptoLove. Push that like button. Now today, fear and greed at 52. Look at that. Pretty much the same for the past month. The overall market sideways. Bitcoin at 29,310, Ethereum at 1875, XRP 71 cents, BNB at 242, Dogecoin 8 cents, Cardano 31 cents, Solana $24, and Tron 8 cents. And Bitcoin today finding support still on the 50-day moving average. No change from yesterday. But what we do have a big change is on the 6-month candles. We had a bullish engulfing candle where this green candle eats up and goes past the whole entire previous red candle. Now, previous times this happened, both times was before a massive Bitcoin rally. So will this time be different? Probably not, especially when you take a look at the entire cryptocurrency market. This is total market cap here. It is at its tightest compression ever, and Bitcoin also close to the tightest compression ever, suggesting we might have a price explosion for both of those. Imagine Bitcoin retesting a line that has never been wrong in the past 12 years. Well, guess what? It's doing that. The monthly close above this blue line in 2011, 2015, and 2019 was the bull market. It has now happened in 2023. This line has never been wrong before. So this suggests you are getting in early. Look at the length of these bull markets after passing this line. Altcoins right now breaking out of a falling wedge. You can see this here. A breakout of falling wedge is a bullish pattern. It's a 2.5-year long falling wedge. They're also now testing the following lines, the weekly MA200 and the weekly EMA21. These are the two most important lines, not only for altcoins, but for Bitcoin as well. And check that out. Looking like we could find support on top of those lines and on top of this falling wedge. Bitcoin also is sitting at the most important level in the last 2.5 years. You can see with support, broke through, resistance, now sitting on top of previous resistance or previous support to resistance, could be support once again. Most out there are probably not aware of what it means, but when Bitcoin reclaims this level as support, the floodgates are open for much higher prices after that. We won't see Bitcoin less than $30,000 for a long time after finding support at these levels. Taking a look at the optimized trend tracker for Bitcoin, it's suggesting again we are in bull market. We are not in the bear market anymore. And if you take a look how long these bull markets are, 1.5 years, 2 years, 2.5 years, going up by the same pattern, this would be a 3-year bull market, which could be astronomical for Bitcoin. The Williams percent R here suggesting again we are in rocket all up green territory. All the charts echoing the same thing. Price can only go sideways for a matter of time before an explosion, because you may have heard that Litecoin is a leading indicator for Bitcoin. Well, that's most definitely true, especially when you look at breakouts on Litecoin's downtrend. This just happened and only spells out amazing things for Bitcoin's future. So Litecoin breaks the downtrend. And why does Litecoin do it first? Because they have their halving first. Well, Litecoin price goes up and then Bitcoin price goes up. And take a look at this. Every time it breaks a downtrend, look at this. Bull run. Breaks a downtrend, bull run. Breaks a downtrend, likely bull run once again. Also, altcoins about to start a very strong rally. Not only breaking out of a downtrend that we were talking about here and this wedge, but also the Bollinger Bands with squeeze. The strongest it has ever been. Look at this. It's never been this low before, suggesting altcoin prices are going much higher. And just to give you an idea of where Bitcoin price could potentially go, I mean, you have to consider all these halvings. Yes, it was still early adoption, but Bitcoin was not respected as a currency back at that time. You did not have large institutions filing spot ETFs for Bitcoin at that time. Now, if we take a look, we are still way back here. There's a lot longer to go in this bull run. Minimum territory around $300,000 based on previous cycles, up to $2 million or even over $8 million per Bitcoin. things are just starting to get crazy. So that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed it, push the like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.